Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia explains how news travels. She's saying that basically sometimes you will have a little friend and you pinch that little friend and tell that friend, listen, man, this week I'm not gonna have this, or that week I'm not gonna have that. Or sometimes it's not even what you say to the friend, but sometimes it's some people that are in your community that they may have known you or, seen you when you were growing up, or years ago they've seen you and they think they know something about you. And so they start spreading rumors on you based on what they see or they perceived or what they thought. And so Marcia is saying that sometimes this is how um, that energy is transferred, as in people talking about you, spreading rumors, telling lies on you, is because of what they perceive, what they have seen, or what they thought that they have seen. And maybe they thought that they knew you um, somewhat. So she's saying sometimes too, it's the people in the community that would have said, oh, I knew her from a long time ago. This is how she was, and this is where she grew up, and blah, 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 blah. She also stated that, sometimes it can be friends that are like that. You can have one friend that you will say a little thing to. You will pinch that friend, and the friend will go back to another friend and another friend, or that friend will go to one friend and say it to that friend, and that friend spread it to someone else. And by the time you get to the end of it, then everybody has um, different stories. That's all made up. So, guys, go ahead and catch what Marcia has to say about this and more. And remember to go ahead and support her store. It's clean and cheap, and the information will be in somewhere in my bio somewhere. And guys, remember that you need to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and you have to hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. Also, guys, for everyone that's having a birthday today, I wish you a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you a year that's filled with love, peace, joy, and happiness. Yes. And for all my other lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Who else me meet? Wanna remind me? Cause everything me do on social media. Wanna remind me? Who else me meet? Who else? Wanna remind me now? These walnuts are so good. Wanna remind me? So when it comes to reality, even if somebody come and say, oh, Marcia broke. Even if you go to a friend and you say, boy, I broke this weekend and I can't know how I can pay my bills. Yes, I giving a scenario. And you're there on social media. You know, reach Hollywood. Everybody knows say yeah, sell two sheet. Sheet is a business we go up and down. They all know say black people don't support black businesses like that. One and two people, God bless them, will come around you. Right? And you're talking to a friend and say, boy, I broke this week and after I done pay my bills, I broke this week and whatever. And them feel like say because you're there on social media, them all go and then go tell somebody else. Because I tell them all the time, me and you might be friends for 20 years. But the person has somebody else was friend from 20 years too. So, for instance, now me would have called Nadine and we dead, my best friend. But Nadine was not only my best friend. Me have one other Nadine, CJ godmother, when me and her I come from far. From me about 17 years old. When we grew up, when me used to live, when me and her grew up and have life, then me have other acquaintances that I knew. But Nadine have other friend too. Where she them thinks that she are them best friend. So when you have a friend, that friend might have 10 different somebody who them consider best friend. So when you tell Nadine your business, Nadine have one other business, Janet, Then you tell Janet, then you tell Claudette, and then Claudette tell whatever. So these are the circles. She have 5 different people or 10 different people talking to. But you have to understand, when you tell Nadine your business, Nadine can go and tell Claudette or Janet, me name some call and say, you know, so I talk to my friend a while ago, my friends and so on, so what you think? This is somebody I know, this is somebody I know, this is somebody go and tell, this is somebody. So news spreading now. But when Nadine go and tell this as somebody I know, Nadine never realized that Janet was going to go back and tell Suzette and Claudette and Tom and Harry it all church, because the story seems so fascinating, especially when you're in the public eye. And they must say, and she did on Facebook, I go answer before whatever, I saw the conversation talk. So it's an opinion, and them farm it, and them go on and them spread it. So you have to realize in yourself that when you tell people something, it's just one in a couple in a million people will not go back and transfer what you tell them to other people, because they don't know you. But once you're a public figure on social media, people are going to call and tell people things, and they're going to put it in their own way. And that is the reason why a lot of these bloggers know information about people, and these are just simple life situations. Because you tell somebody, you tell that and them realize it upon Facebook, and them start watch you. Them start get jealous, them start form opinion, them call the blogging somebody and tell them somebody, like what they, like for instance, when them are going on social media now, them don't have nothing for me. Then go back 40 years ago and 50 years ago when me left Jamaica, and come back with 40-year-old story and 50-year-old story where them claim. And them look how stupid they are. They come back with 50-year-old story and 40-year-old story. Say, oh, you know, so when Marcia in that Jamaica, when she so and so, she did live in a one bamboo house. See the bamboo house, yeah. You know when Marcia over there says to call her, this says to call her, see there. Then does that make sense? When them the life situation again, look how much I want to transform on yourself. Look how much when you die Jamaica, you used to have a little pick out head and lice your foot and soap this and whatever. Look how now. Look how now. Some of you doctors and liar. Some of you doctors and liar. Some of you are thief and some of you are killer. Some of you are kind of different things. Look how now. You grew up with somebody being nice. So and so. You can't believe. I mean, I just a lifestyle. Check out some of you picture before and after. How it was. It's just life. So why is it now uno feel like so uno can come on social media and take all these things and take care? It don't make no sense. The past is a past. It don't make no sense. Look at what people who never met before. What you see on social media is not what behind closed door. And that is a delusional we're living into. When time when I realize the people who come on social media and go on, they're not like that behind closed door. My personality is just the same way, you see me. But if you meet me in person, me have a little different. Me shy. Not really shy, but me gonna answer in a different way. If me come out and me cuss and me go on the camp on the phone, it's a totally different attitude I'm going to give you. My business voice and my character on social media are two different things. Many people call me, it's like, is this Miss Marcia? Me say, yes. Me say, you sure? Me say, what do you mean I'm sure? No, because you're so different. Oh, you expect me to talk to you? Me, you know what? How do you expect me must talk to you? And me and you know enough of us. Me supposed to come back. What you want? Where you call me for? How much sheet you want? Then I saw me expect you. Then I saw you expect. Then me not gonna lose business. How do you expect me? Hello, what is it you call me for? So if me answer you like that, then me can't. Then where your business go? What you want? How you expect me to answer you? Hello, bomber clot. Where you call me for? What you want? Oh, I saw me answer. You must understand these people come out here. Most of these people come out here and go on with them foolishness, them a pussy. Me not ask you. Them a big fussy. Them a big fussy. Me not answer you. Most of them will come out here go answer. Trust me. Them a coward. Them a coward. Me not ask you. Them batty boy about the place here. Them a big fussy. Me not ask you. If a right person come and talk to them in front, like most of them girl here, and them boy here we a chat to me, then could have come in my face with it. Then couldn't come in my face and intimidate me. Enough of them girl here, them woman here. Then couldn't come in my face. Me not ask you. Most of them will see come on social media, then can't approach me when they see me on the road. Me not ask you. I see enough of them out there where me see a look for me. Then can't blood clot step to me. No day at all. No day. You see this? You see my birthday weekend not done. I may go out this weekend. My friend have to go work, so he can't come with me. I may call him and tell him so he send two and brethren with me. If he send two and friend with me when time I go for my birthday. And that's what I could do. I'm going to tell him, so listen, send two of your brethren come for right there. So but nobody not trouble me, but I'm just telling you. I could make him say send two and brethren them come. If you come chill out. I know he can't have to work. I have to work very early in the morning, do a party when I have to work. I may go out this week and I go tell him, say, if you send two and brethren them come. I'm telling you. I'm just saying, I don't trust a soul. I don't trust a soul, but that me I could do. Just like that. Exactly what I'm going to go. That is exactly what I'm going to do. I've got my send to and brethren them. Let's get them that party. So, I'm just saying, the people them too wicked nowadays. This is not blogging. When you gone too deep. When you gone too deep, I'm glad some in mix up with certain things. But when me see I go on social media now, it bad. It bad. Yeah, man, it really bad. Me not lie. When me see I go on social media, you have people who can't even afford to buy not even a soap for watch them crotch talk about you. That gone bag. Me not lie. Pure lie. I tell you on social media. Them a turn simple conversation into foolishness, into big things. America, this you know, once you have no big professional job, we all a struggle. But it no mean so we can't have one little something for ourselves. It no mean so because you have struggle, you must think the worst of yourself. Everybody knows that the biggest struggle in our life is financial struggle. Because once you have money, you can't do anything. So our biggest problem in life is financial. We're not even worried about our health and try to take care of our health. Our number one priority right now in life is to make money. That's what I realize a lot of you. The number one priority right now in life for me realize with the pound of mine is money. And that is the wrong concept. The wrong concept of life right now. One should focus on is spirituality, love, and then everything come. Faith, and everything will come into pause. And this is a money where I lead on astray. It's hard, I'm telling you. Money, body, and there's something where the two no ear. Me wear wig, but me no make wig wear me. There is something in the wigs. The wigs them is possessed. I notice the black people them nowadays when I wear the wig them longer and longer. And when they wear the wig them longer and longer, when just a flash dead. So the wig they possess. Because when I understand say dead people then cut the ear them off. And poor people worship cow and donkey and horse then cut them off. Then go into the poor part of India and all kind of places. And these people worship all kind of demon and all kind of voodoo and all kind of sitting and worship. And then put it now on the head. If it was me like someone, me wash off them the last week there before me wear them. That's why me love wear synthetic wig. Because I know synthetic wig no come from them the people. Then go into the morgue and then cut off the dead people them here from India. One must not see video. Then go into the poorest of the poorest neighborhood and then cut off, and those people don't have nothing to do with God. Here is a very powerful thing. And once you attach it, me realize that someone will become a different way. Me realize that you see someone will come and a shaky. You see, me see nowadays I look at black people, the year I get longer and longer. Now in the week, them are catching them on them body. You see, when me I try to wear here, me try to wear here we like look normal. Me not try to look like a Caucasian type of hair. And cause me can wear certain hair because me come from an Indian looking tribe. And so my grandmother here is like, me take off from my grandmother here. So I realize when I analyze the girls them on social media and all over, me realize so not turn into something else. The wig just turning into this little stripper. It turn into this, but me say, all I do a flash on the ear and look on the body. I pay a body. I never see somebody out there show a body, and I'm like, wow, oh no have body, but no, you know what? I don't want to even go too dirty this morning. And I'm like, what is this body? On the body, my inside of the stack of the clothes, but when you take off on the skin, when you take off on the body, then I want to buy and look. And all I want to have good nice skin. So I want a body full of spot like a leopard. Somehow on the body have all kind of something. So putting on the clothes and cock out in the body and show and taking off on the clothes is two different things. So you must think about the attraction too. Because when you can't show on the body and show on the clothes, and when time you go with the man and the man soon and a total different business. Or when you lie down in a bed, on the front no good. Or you don't know if you articulate. So you have to know what not do to a lower man. So it's either you just want dicky or you want a relationship. So that's what I see. So the man them shouldn't make body fool now. You should try to stick to some of them flat body woman here. Like, and my body not flat, me a buying. I said, me not have the body, me not have the shape, but trust me, I'm just saying. They say anywhere grass grow. Anywhere grass a grow. The traffic now walk there. But anyway, traffic there, if it mash down. You hear me? Anywhere grass grow, and the grass a grow tall, not go there. But if that grass cut down every minute, that means it I get whole heap of licking, sticking and drying. Yes, my dear. But if you bushy, no traffic now go there. I'll take it. No traffic is not going there. So if you have your bush up in the ear, no traffic now go that grass. You not even get a good sticking because you don't want a straw itch up in the teeth. So you know, say if traffic was going there, then the bush wouldn't get along. Good afternoon. I wish I had a morning for me. The bush wouldn't get so long. So think about it. If whole heap of traffic was going there, the grass wouldn't grow so long. So, think about it. Think about it. Think about it. And so on what? My advice to you is, it don't make no sense when you're listening to people when I know nothing about you. Then people don't know one ras about me. It's a tea tastes terrible. I don't have no sugar in there. I don't have no sugar in their backside. I'm drinking cinnamon apple tea. And I have no sugar. No sugar. It's cool, so I just gotta drink it down. And I like drink the tea when it hot like that. Unless you have to, but Me like when it look, me like it warm, I'ma just go at need them one time, like a water. It just turn warm. I'ma just drink it one time. I can't bother with a sip in hot tea. Unless me dep on the road and compulsory. But if I'm home, me just wait until it catch the room temperature or a little warm. Me warm enough. I'ma just go at need on one time. I can't bother with the sipping. If me fi sip it, that rasa left same place. Every morning, if I don't drink that, every time I make tea waste. That's why me have to make sure say me drink it one time. Make it cool and go at need on. But if I have to sip it, it all forget and I end up throw it away. Mostly tea throw away. But you just need to look for room temperature. Hot tea burn up your tongue and make your mouth stink. You don't have to drink on a tea and on a food lukewarm. That's why lukewarm in our way. One time